Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have Grove again. Yep, we went groving just a couple of weeks ago, maybe less. And if you'll recall, my laundry fabric softener pretty much emptied out. And I had very little, maybe that much in the container, so I contacted Grove. And this is going to be a customer service type video. I'm going to tell you what happened. I emailed them that my box had got here okay, but on the inside my fabric softener was pretty much empty. And they got back with me right away. And I know it's storming here. You may be able to hear the rain hitting my garden window. I have one of those windows at the kitchen where it extends out where I can put my plants and stuff. And it is pouring right now, so that might be a little sound interruption. But anyways, they got back with me really fast, and they told me that they don't actually send out a product when there's something damaged or something wrong with it, but what they would do is credit me the amount of that product, which was $7.99, and they said we will give you a $10 credit for the inconvenience, and also that would help pay the shipping. So let's just say I only wanted to get that one product, then it would be $7.99, and I would have to pay the shipping of $4.99 because it would be under the $29 value of free shipping with a VIP. And again, if you're not familiar with VIP, I pay $19.99 a year and I get free shipping. I am not charged $4.99 for each box that goes out. So basically, after 4 shipments or 4 months, I've already got my money way back once I have paid that $19.99 fee, plus they give you free gifts. Well, in the meantime of me getting that credit and getting ready to reorder because I needed the fabric softener really fast, it was time for VIP bonus gifts. That's right. So while I was getting that, I was able to get my free bonus gift, and I'll show that to you here in just a minute. And I want to let you know, as a VIP, you do get at least 4 bonus gifts once a quarter. You get one for your birthday, and they've got other bonus gifts that they just seem to come up with. So you get lots of value out of your $19.99 VIP. Now, because they gave me that credit of $10 and I was going to buy the fabric softener, I went ahead and ordered more because I wanted to hit the threshold of $29 and have free shipping, and I could always use more product, and I did. I ordered more product, and I'll show you what I got here in just a minute. But I ordered more product so that it would hit that $29 threshold, so I could get the full benefit of getting the full $10 credit. I just didn't want that going to shipping. So I got my box, and it says, "Your choices are powerful," and it's Grove Collaborative. I just wanted to let you know their customer service is excellent, and I got this box 2 days later. So they're very fast on their shipping. And inside this box, I am happy to say that I have my $7.99 full bottle of fabric softener. And guys, this smells really good. I will say the one benefit of this leaking out of my box last time was my box smelled wonderful. This is the beach sage, and it's made with wild plant-based softening power. And the scents, it's scented, it softens and reduces static clean. It's HE for all washes, and it's 45 loads. And like I said, it smells really good. We have packing paper. The next item I got is something that I always get on a regular basis, and that is the Dr. Bronner's whole kernel virgin coconut oil. If you want a good, non-GMO, USDA organic all-in-one, this is great. You can cook with this, you can make popcorn with it, you can cook it anywhere it calls for oil, and that's what I do. You can put coconut oil on your body, in your hair, on your scalp. You can use this on your pets where they got hot spots and things. This is just so versatile, and coconut oil is so good for you. You can even help your triglycerides, fat chains, by putting a teaspoon or 2 of this in your coffee. And this has a nutty coconut flavor, so it's very flavorful, very good. You can buy some coconut oils and it really doesn't have much of a taste, so it makes you wonder just how much coconut is actually in it. but this is USDA certified, and I like it, and it runs about $15.99. Guys, before all of our inflation of prices, this used to be like $9.99, so things just keep going up. The next item that I got again was the disinfectant that I use, and I just went ahead and grabbed a bottle. Why not? I'm going to use this. It's a no-rinse formula. It kills 99.99% of the bacteria and viruses, and it's eucalyptus and spearmint and thyme, and it smells good and it works great. It's in the place of Lysol spray without all the chemicals. The next item that I ordered is some Band-Aids, and this here is environmentally friendly Band-Aids. I'm going to open it up so you can see, but they're natural bamboo Band-Aids is what they are, and my grandkids really like these. They use them, I use them. They're really cute, and they're made out of bamboo, so you're saving trees there. The next item I got was a free gift. Oh yes, when you are getting ready to check out, if your box is over $35 in value, and this is before taxes and or any credits you may have. If you hit 35, you get a free gift. And my free gift this time was the Rosemary and Lavender Bar by Rooted, and let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. Just like rosemary and lavender. That'll be a nice bar of soap to have in the shower. And this here, it's made with organic coconut and olive oils. So on top of the rosemary and the lavender, you're going to get the benefits of olive oil and coconut oil. And it says, hydrate from head to toe with this sudsy soap bar crafted by hand with organic coconut and olive oils and infused with the invigorating rosemary and lavender scent. It creates a rich lather and gently cleanses and moisturizes skin. So very nice. I'm glad I got that. And then also another thing you can do is you can pick out free products, and you can put in their little search, free products or free samples, and they'll send you little free samples. And this here is the Double Clean with a Groovy Grape, and this is a 2-in-1. It's a shampoo body bar, so you can do everything with this one. And it's by the company Peach. And it smells, oh, I was gonna let y'all smell. And it smells good. I don't know what scent it is. It says, look at you, protecting the planet, because they're using environmentally friendly ingredients. Leave little kids' hair and skin clean and oh so soft. So yeah, this is safe enough for children. I could use this on my dogs, I bet. I got another Peach. This is the Hand and Body Bar, and this is with aloe vera and a cooling off the shade green tea. It's a twisted scent for all skin types. And I got this in my last box free, so they still had it available. And even though I'd already gotten one, they sent me another one. So I was real happy about that. So we had the Peach, and then it looks like I got another free gift. This is another for the kids, and this is Jump for Joy and Soft with this Citrus Hand and Body Bar. So this is a shampoo bar, and this is a hand and body bar, and it's designed for kids. So this one's going to be blue. Oh, that smells good. Everything smells so good because they use natural ingredients. It says Citrus Splash. Okay, now to my free item for a VIP. I got this tub, $16.99. This is the large cleaning caddy, and it came with parts that I've got to put together here. And I'm going to take a look to see what we have to do here to get this functioning. And I'm not sure how you work it. This here is my dividers for inside. Going to go this way. We're going to put this together. And then we have a little stopper here that we can put it on top. And that'll hold it all together just like so. So we have our divider in there. And then we have our handle, and it's made out of wood. And I want to say this is probably bamboo because they don't use trees. So we're going to pop that in. And there we go. We have our nice little caddy from Grove. And I got that free, and that was a $16.99 value. So very good, and it's large capacity, and I can put several things in there. So that is great. Won't fit that, that's too big. But I can put like a can of this in there, no problem. So, and if I want to have my Band-Aids in there for the kids, then I could have that in there. And I could have a couple of bars of soap in there and have it all separated. And I've got my coconut oil. So yeah, so then I can just pick that up and I've got everything stored. That's great. That was my Grove, my, I guess, second order that I ordered because I didn't have this and I had to get it. So I tacked on a few things and I ended up getting like 4 things free, including my VIP large capacity caddy. So that's all I have today for Grove. If you don't Grove, you might be interested in it. They're a great customer service company. They're eco-friendly. If you want to go green, I will have a free starter kit that if you purchase $25 or more, I don't know the exact cutoff on the minimum purchase, but you can get a free kit with a purchase, and I'll have that running across the screen there, and I'll have the link down in my description. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. And as for today and Grove Collaborative, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. Looking out from the preferred area of the hotel at Secrets Divine, if you are in their gym and you want to ride a bike and exercise, this is your view. Isn't that awesome? Wow. And this is their bikes. And then of course around the corner they have their workout gym equipment. But I just think that is so awesome. I wanted to share it with you guys.